Hello, and welcome to the Global Fashion Workshop channel. Let me remind you that we post a new video 3 times a week. Together, we have quickly made the pocket for the striped dress, and all of you loved it. I mentioned then, ladies, if you want me to show you the second variation of this pocket, please let me know. And of course, we've got tons of letters. Everybody wants to see the second pocket. It makes me very happy that the technique interests you. Sometimes I show the technological moments, but we have not been getting a lot of views lately. I'm beginning to worry that our folks have become lazy. With the sewing techniques together, we move towards greatness. For an example, I took a piece of fabric. Imagine that it's our front part from the bottom to the top. Here, we will place our pocket. I cannot sew a new dress for each type of pocket, because I don't need so many dresses. Look what I did. I basted 16 centimeters here. Altogether, it makes 32 centimeters. 16 centimeters, exactly like I did on the front piece before. I folded it, basted it on the straight line. This one is an example. You will do it on your summer dresses, skirts, and so on. Remember how it was stitched? Like this and like this. Now we will make it a little bit different. The pocket will start from here. I measure 14 centimeters. It's a pocket opening. Add 1 centimeter for the seam allowance. I measured from the edge 15 centimeters. The same on this side, 15 centimeters. I'm so happy that we're starting to sew summer dresses. Remember that in the first pocket, the pocket opening was here. Here it was stitched together. Now we will change it a little bit. Everything I did is to find this middle. I will press it after I stitch this part here. This needle has to pierce the fabric exactly on the line, not higher and not lower. Remove the basting thread only in the middle. Leave it on the sides. We will need it to guide our pressing. I will go to the pressing table. I don't have it here. We will press it in a way that allows the pocket to be placed toward the bottom of the garment. Here's an example. Look what I did. I basted the straight line, left an opening for the pocket, and stitched it in the middle. Let's go to the iron. We pressed it. Now remove the basting stitches. Like that. What do we have? We have stitched the middle and the little corners. Now we'll place these corners together along that pressed line. Here's the beginning of that line. I will pin it like this. I will tell you what we're going to do next. Pay attention and don't be too careless with the technique. Now I will cut this corner here. Here is our line that we stitched from the wrong side. Leave 7 centimeters of space from the edge. Mark it. From this pressed line down, measure 3 to 3.5 centimeters. We are doing a slant pocket, so connect these 2 points with the ruler. I remind you that the right and the left part are pinned together. That is why everything will be exact. While it is all pinned, I will cut off this piece. Let me know if you like this variation, and if you learned something new from making the first pocket. Fantastic! I'll throw this away. I don't need it anymore. Let's see what we've got here. Here is our pocket. You see what's happening here? We have to turn it with the right sides facing each other and stitch it here. I will pin it first. We have to start stitching from this point. Tuck away the inside part and start to pin it together the same way with the other pocket. We have it on the bias here, and if you're worried about the final quality, strengthen the edge with the strip of the fusible interfacing, 5 to 7 millimeters. When I told you about the second variation of that pocket, I knew that you guys would ask about it. I'm not going to baste it, I will start to stitch it right away. These pockets are starting right from the side, and they are slanted. It will be very, very comfortable. I will have to stitch it and finish it right here in this point, where I have the last stitch. First we stitch it, and after, turn it inside out and baste the edges. Now I will do the other side and show you how it is. I remove our pins. Take a needle and start to baste the top edge of the pocket. Our pockets will look like that. The pockets start here, but we have to baste it first. We can baste it or we can understitch it from the wrong side. Let's do it this way. From the wrong side, not from the right side. I decided not to baste it after all. Those threads are in my way and it's not the best fabric. Here's our pocket opening. We understitched it later. Now let's press it very lightly. Here is our slant pocket. This can be our front piece, which we will extend to the knee or midi. Doesn't matter. What's important is that we have such a pocket. Now I will understitch the second part. From the inside of the pocket. Yes, I have to start from here. And I will iron it. I will iron this edge that I have just understitched. I stitched it here on this fabric, but you will have the side seam of your garment here, so just baste it first and stitch it together with the side seam. I couldn't find the sample that it would extend a little further. But it's okay, I'm sure you understand that it's our two wonderful pockets. This fuchsia fabric piece is a little too short. You have to imagine that it's our garment and that in the front below the tummy this line will have two pockets on the sides. I hope this pocket will be useful for you to create some cotton, linen summer dresses. It's very easy to make. We have learned how to make two pockets. I think those who have done the first one would immediately want to do the second, because it's interesting and it doesn't take a lot of time. Now I will say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Irina Mikhailovna and the rest of our team.